Congress Vice President, respected Shri Rahul Gandhi ji, members of the Congress Working Committee, other dignitaries present in this house, ladies and gentlemen, I stand here to endorse what Rahul ji and Chidambaram ji have said in their statements. Whatever I had to say, I have already said this in Parliament, and I want to say only a few words. Modi ji keeps on saying that he is out to transform the country's economy, that he will bring together all things which will contribute to a steep rise in the national income of the country. We know now that the beginning of the end has come, that Modi ji's propaganda that national income of India in the last 2 years has gone up is a hollow claim. Today, almost all rating agencies have come to the conclusion that as against the 7.6% growth rate of the country's economy projected only a few months ago, it has come down to 7%, and some rating agencies have said that it will be as low as 6.3%. Now, the consequences of this steep fall in the GDP of the country can be well imagined. Employment will fall both in agriculture, industry, and services. Production will fall particularly in the informal sector, which accounts for 45% of the country's national income. And therefore, we can imagine that what a disaster this demonetization move was. It has hurt the country very badly. The things have gone from bad to worse in the last 2 months, but I venture to think that the worst is yet to come, and therefore it is the solemn duty of all congressmen and women to rise to the occasion, to tell the people what wrong things have been done by the Modi government, and that it is our solemn duty to give a clarion call to the people of this country to wake and rise. With these words, I once again endorse what Rahul ji and what Chidambaram ji have said in their statement.